Okay, this one here should be a 14.
Okay. 14.
This one is loose.
Oh, that one's loose?
Yeah.
Well, that's probably why something's been knocking underneath here, because that was loose. Yeah, yeah. Something sound like
maybe there's not a problem with the engine. Look at this.
Yeah, but still, it's leaking from the yeah. But that's what probably I've been hearing some go dun, 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 like a loud noise when it starts. That's probably because that flywheel was loose. But I didn't loosen it. You know, the transmission. The guy rebuilt it. Two brothers in transmission done it. So they rebuilt their transmission for me last August for $950. And then Blaine's built the engine for me for $15. So if it was loose still, it's two brothers in the transmission. But it was still leaking from the oil right here between the timing plate. And then it's got a low compression on cylinder 2. Quick Car's already checked it, and I ran a compression check too with a Harbor Freight too. It has a 40% ratio on cylinder 2, and all the other ones are 70 psi. And they done a leak down test.
That's way too low.
Yeah.
40%. Yeah.
Yeah. But it's not. It's not low, but it's still. It was running though. Still, just got that.
Okay, I think spin this pulley right here. I mean.
Okay.
Clockwise, please.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's see.
Like this right here, like that.
Yeah, clockwise.
Okay, the other way.
Not counter. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Go. I'll let you know when to stop.
About right there. You need
These nuts are loose.
Well, yeah. Well, that's what they done. That's they work.
See?
Yeah. That's probably why it's been making a noise like when it's trying to start. But it's nothing. That's what they worked on. Cause dang, he didn't mess with the transmission. Two brothers. You know, how Westmoreland rebuilt it. You've ever?
If this one, we're missing one nut over here.
Yeah, that ain't good. I can guarantee I ain't messed with the transmission. Daniel just put it back together after I brought it from being rebuilt off of Westmoreland.
Okay, hold it right there. Okay, go. Okay, that's it. Yeah.
All right.
Okay. So now. Now we need to remove the bell housing bolts. Oh, wait a minute. Let's see. What about the starter bolts? Oh yeah, 14s. One.
And then you got one at that top somewhere.
Okay.
It's one more.
Let me see. Can you get it from? Let's see. Let's see. Get it from here. Where is it? This one? No, it's not this one.
Nah. Let's see. It's somewhere. That's one. You got the second one out. Let me see here. That was a second one. You got that second one out, so I thought it was one at the top somewhere, but it's somewhere around that corner there.
Oh, right here.
Yeah.
It's on this one off from the from the top.
Yeah, the top. That's on the back end.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, so we need to remove this one. That one right there.
What's this still for you? Let me see.
Can you hold it for me? Yeah. This one here is going to be like a 1316.
Okay, so was that a 16?
1316, I believe. Yeah. I think it's going to be a 19. Do we have a 19 over here? Somewhere?
Let me see a 19.
No.
17. Now let me see if I can get you a 19.
Okay, stay up there and see. Let me try first.
Okay. Oh. Well, you know what? I didn't see. I see a 3/4. I didn't see a 19. So. I see a 3/4. You want to try 3/4?
Yeah, let me try that. Now it's going to be a 1316.
That fit on it?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so now.
Nice size boat there.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, the rest we can get them from the top.
All right.
Yeah. In my opinion, we are done.
Okay.
Down here.
All right.
We need to remove this crankshaft pulley or harmonic balancer.
Okay.
Well, did you get the one for the?
You want for that top starter?
Yeah.
All right.
So I can hold the starter here.
Okay.
Yeah, somebody needs to be down here.
Okay.
To hold the starter, so.
Okay. Can you believe that that, let me see what size it is.
14.
14?
Yeah.
Let's see, you got that person here, he got all these type of tools. That's why I tell him to bring them over. He's like you got an inside. Let's see, 14.
It should be there, yeah, because I just used it.
That's a 15 here. Oh, you heard about it?
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. You can use this wireless impact.
Oh, you think it'll get out?
Oh yeah. That's very strong.
Oh, it is. So I can get up underneath. Yeah, I can get up. Sure, I got that right. Yeah, finna get the starter top bolt off. Top starter bolt is out.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Should be another one then.
Oh yeah, one more.
It didn't move.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, one more.
Yeah, I think this. Yeah, they come with three bolts. Got it?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Started taking it.
Pretty much down here.
Huh?
We're done.
Okay. Down here. So how many starter bolts was it? About 3 or 4?
3. 2 on top and 1 bottom. Yeah.
All those parts are new. That's I would say I bought last season. All of fast all the parts.
Oh, you buy most of the parts from Advanced Auto Parts?
Yeah, I bought about 2,000-3,000 worth of parts. I bought the starter, brand new. I'll tell you, I just bought that last. I bought that last season. Daniel put on the racket pin was brand new. I had Daniel put on. You know, all that. You know, the battery was brand new too for Walmart. I bought last season. So I had Daniel in the chair. Put a brand new PC valve on it too, just a while ago. The distributor, that's the one thing I had to replace. But the person was over here, he put the rotor and the cap on for me. He used to be a mechanic for the distributor. Let's start.
Okay. Now, 19mm socket.
Okay,
where is it?
19mm. That's gonna be
Oh, 3/4.
Yeah, closer to that. You got one more. Yeah, you got
Come on.
Hey man, wanna sell that Mustang right there?
Oh, it's not mine. Eh?
Oh, somebody, were you working on it?
Yeah, we're gonna use some of those parts. I mean, well, no, you're gonna have to buy. No, I don't know what the guy's gonna do with it, but we're gonna use some of those parts to put this back together.
Okay.
Yeah, so I guess, yeah, I'm pretty sure, yeah, you want to buy it complete.
Well, no, I got one, so it don't matter if it's complete or not. I just need some stuff off of it. I'll stop by in a week or so. If you talk to him, ask me what he want to sell off of it, I'll come back.
Okay, all right, sir.
But it's not coming off.
No.
Cause that's
switch. Yeah.
Yes, it's what
Between the
the
transmission cable and. Can you try to switch? Yeah, I can't.
You would take these bolts off? I mean, take these bolts off. See if you can. I can take the neutral safety switch off, this off and this off, because I just put this inhibitor switch on. I just bought this.
Okay. Yeah, there's not.
Yeah, it's loose. I put that on the inhibitor switch. I just replaced it. I bought it from Carver. They're having a problem in there, looking like the signal parking and all that. Oh no, I see what it was going to probably have to take them two off. Let me take them two off, and then they'll be out of the way, and you should be able to hit it. Yeah, see, some of them are tight places to hit.
What size is it? 10? It looks like a 10 millimeter.
Yeah, I'm finna see. Let me, right here. Yeah, it could be a 10 like you said. Get a 10. See if it be movability before we take them fully out. See if it'll move and flex before I fully take them out. Sometimes it be the movability of it, and then it'll move for you.
Right. Yeah.
That's all right. She respected it like that. It's got something cut. If
I can switch this, I mean,
see that should move, you know?
Right. Yeah.
See if you can take this out. Let me see if this thing here moves. Now that's the only you're gonna be able to hit it. Okay, see it's moving there, but it's not. Yeah, let me see if I take the full out with that gear. It's moving on this back end. You see it moving here? It's moving here, but it's not moving here. So let me see if I take
There we go. There we go.
Oh, go ahead.
I got left in there.
Okay, go
I
ahead.
think I might have one more work.
Okay. I got this one off.
All right.
How many more?
You got two more. And you see, and in them two more, I don't know if you're gonna be able to hit that past that hose, but yeah, this hose, right? You got 2 more. Right there. 1 and then 2. And it's
No.
you're not on it. Let me. That's one out. There you got it. More here. That's taking a lot of juice there to get that one. And you're gonna need Yep, I got it. All right. Okay. There you go.
Got it? Here's the other one.
Now let me see. I don't think it's any more, but I don't see no more, so that could be it.
Can you put that little thing on front of the engine too? You know that was in the back seat. You know the little cover. Yeah, I think is what you see. Let me show you. Right.
Oh, okay.
I know you got it. Oh, okay. Yeah.